If you want to play your Nintendo Switch on a larger screen but don't have the official dock, the good news is that there are several ways to connect your Nintendo Switch to a monitor without using the original dock. So we will walk you through the different methods, the equipment you will need, and how to get everything set up so you can start gaming on your monitor in just a few minutes. So number one option is use a portable USB-C HDMI adapter. The easiest way to connect a Nintendo Switch to a monitor without a dock is using a USB-C HDMI adapter designed for Nintendo Switch compatibility. So what you'll need is a Nintendo Switch, USB-C HDMI adapter, HDMI cable, monitor with HDMI input, Nintendo Switch charger, or compatible USB-C power adapter. So you need to connect the adapter. Once you plug the USB-C HDMI adapter into your Nintendo Switch, most adapters will includes a USB-C input for power, an HDMI output for video, and of course an USB-C connector that plugs into the Switch. And of course, take your HDMI cable and connect one end to the adapter and the other end to your monitor. Make sure the connection is secure on both sides. Now you want to make sure to plug the Nintendo Switch charger into the adapter's power input. This step is important because the Switch requires external power to output video to a monitor. And of course, you need to select the correct input. Okay? And then next option is use a third-party dock. If you frequently play on a monitor, a third-party dock can be a convenient alternative to Nintendo's official dock. So it's easy to set up. Connect the power to power. Connect an HDMI cable from the dock to your monitor. Insert the Nintendo Switch into the dock and select the correct HDMI input on the monitor and wait for the display to appear. Many compact travel docks are much smaller than the original Nintendo dock and are easier to carry around. And of course, you can also use a portable Switch dock. Portable Switch docks work similarly to standard docks but are designed specifically for travel. So you have compact design, easy to carry, it's easy to set up. All I have to do is connect the power, HDMI, and the Switch, then select the correct input monitor. Now, I'm going to show you some troubleshooting common problems. If there's no signal on the monitor, okay, verify the HDMI cable is properly connected. Make sure the monitor is set to the correct input source. Restart the Switch and reconnect everything. Now, if you see a black screen, okay, disconnect all of the cables, reconnect power first, reconnect the HDMI, and restart the Switch by holding the power button for several seconds. Now, if the Switch doesn't enter the TV mode, ensure the external power is connected, verify the adapter is compatible with the Nintendo Switch video output, try using the official Nintendo power adapter. Now, these are going to be some tips for the best experience. Use a high-quality HDMI cable for stable video output. Keep your Switch charged during long gaming sessions and use a monitor with a low input lag for smoother gameplay. And of course, you need to consider using a Nintendo Switch Pro controller for more comfortable gaming. Connecting a Nintendo Switch to a monitor without a dock is easier than most people think. If you found this helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channels, and turn on the notifications so you never miss on our latest gaming tutorials. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.